So today we have poetry, introduction to poetry. What is a poem? Robert says a poem is a metrical composition, a composition of verse written in certain measures. Some poems are formal and some other playful. Here we have some question about how we can make or how can write strong poem. Human brain live brain logic and reality, right, creativity and emotion. To clarify, when you are looking at big buffy crowds, so your brain says that you look like a pony, while your left brain tells you it's cloud. Here, poetry requires creativity. Creativity. Poetry requires emotion. Poetry and artistic quality. Poetry requires logic. Both of them. Here, for the left brain, we will start these sounds. For example, here, rhyme. Repetition of sound as example of hat, cat, bat, rat, fat, and so on. Then we have here another example on this YouTube. You can go. I never wear no clothes. I wipes my hair around my bear. We have here also alliteration, the repetition of the initial letter or sound in two words like do, drop, did, as you can see. Also we have, let's see, similar walks in beauty. Here is called alliteration, clouds and climbs. It's called alliteration, this one, repetition is first sound, stay, alliteration. Here we have day, denies, alliteration. Here more and more about the definition. Also we have onomatopoeia. Onomatopoeia means the sound of animals or plants. Words spell out the sound of words. Onomatopoeia, like hissing, booming, cracking, growling. Here we have onomatopoeia, buzz. Using the same keywords or phrase throughout the poem, this is called repetition. And we have refrain, the repetition of one or more phrase lies at the end of each stanza, so it will be refrain. Okay, we have more to sound like consonant, repetition, assonance. Assonance is the repetition of vowel sounds followed by different consonant in stressed syllable, as in lead and maize. Let's go to the figure of speech. Simile, comparison between two usual unrelated things, like Joe is angry as a bear in the morning, Ray is like an angry lion. Metaphor, comparison between usually two related things, as you see. Lenny is a snake, Jenny is a mouse when it comes to standing up for herself. Here we have hyperbole and exaggeration for the sake. I may speak to death. The blood bank needs a river of blood, okay, but let's move to another slide. Personification, giving a human characteristics to non-human. The sun stretches lazy fingers over the valley. Symbol, a word or image that signifies something or another than thing. Dark black images in poems are often used to symbolize death. As you can see, we have imagery using to create picture in reader's mind. Forms of poetry, free verse, it's written without any rhyme or any music. no rhyme, no meter, no rhythm. This is a free verse. We have allusion reference to another piece of literature to history, like methodology. And thank you guys for today. First part of poetry, introduction to poetry. See you next time, the second part. Goodbye.